How's it going on, guys? It's Akos back with another video. And so PUBG Mobile is today's game. So we're in item heaven, and so today so that means there's gonna be a lot of loot in. So I'll just go in deep, like in center. So okay, yeah, this one. Okay. Oh, so frustrating. Okay, keep spinning. Dive. I need a gun now. Okay. Okay, a Groza. That's a good start. M24. Okay. Okay, that's an even better start. Yeah, bandages. Okay, so it's slightly cringy outside, so I'm gonna just check what I have. Oh, there's too much of sound. Okay, I see someone. Oh, but there's no scope. Okay, so I think this place is already visited. So all I need, again, holographic sight. Oh, I don't know where to go. Okay, safe. And just keep running. Oh, and this was the first place I came across. Lol. Okay, so this looks like kitchen to me, but there's like massive loot out here. I'll slowly take them. Take this as well. Okay. I hope no one is seeing me. Okay, there is Steel outside. Okay, should change. Okay, so... Oh, yeah, I shouldn't move while taking painkillers. Okay, so drop one of them. And... Okay, so... Spotted one up. Okay. I don't see anyone. So run! So get there. Oh, crossbow, so now I think it might be a good choice to use a crossbow. Okay, so we get this in place. Remove the snipers. Hey, so this would be a better one to go for. Okay. Okay, so I believe the one guy's up there, and so this would be a more safe position. Okay. I don't say them. Okay, so I'm gonna use a crazy trick. Sleep. No. I thought there was someone hiding with that grass. Sort of thing. Okay, so. Okay, I spawned one there. He's hiding okay. Oh yeah, now the damage is way higher than. Okay, so we have taken real high. Okay, so that's not towards us. So we won't worry that all. So. Okay, so. Uh-huh. Okay, so I know where that guy is. I'll just keep deceiving him by moving in random directions. Okay, so okay, chicken dinner. Yeah, so that was just 2 kills, so decent damage, and not a chicken dinner but a nugget dinner as well, so we're gonna be taking that.